So now we will discuss about solid shapes. So what are solid shapes? Solid shapes have length, width and height, and they are also called three-dimensional shapes or 3D shapes. We will discuss about solids with flat faces. Here you can see that in the matchbox, this is we will say flat face. This is also we will say flat face. See in the square box, this is the flat face. Yes or no? And in the cuboid, here also you can see this. This is we will say flat face. Okay. Next one is solids with curved face. Here in the picture you can see that football is having a curved face. Yes or no? See, even I'm also having a ball in my hand. It is a curved face. Okay. And next one is figures with both flat and curved face. So in this type of solids we will be having both flat and curved face. For example, see, this is the one bottle, I got it from my kitchen. See here, this is we will say flat face, and this one is we will say curved face. We will discuss about rolling and sliding objects. Some objects with a curved face, it will roll. See here, yes, it is rolling. Some objects with flat face, it will slide. See here, it is sliding. Yes. And some objects, it will be having a flat face and curved face. So it will roll also and it will slide also. Yes. We will discuss more about solid shapes. The surface of a solid shape we will say face. Okay. And the edges is where two face meets. See here, this is we will say edges. Here you can see this two faces meets. So this is we will say edge. And edges meet at a point we will say vertex. Now we will complete this table. In figure we are having cube, cone, cylinder, cuboid, and we have to count the edges, vertices, faces in all these solid shapes. Okay. So here first solid shape of figure is cube. Okay, first we have to count number of edges. As we know that the edge is where two faces meets. Okay, and here in the cube we'll start counting edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So cube has 12 edges. Now number of vertices. Edges can be where the edges meets at a point. This we will say vertex. So now we will count number of vertices in the cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So cube has 8 vertices. Now we will count number of faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cube has 6 face. Cube has 6 flat faces. Children, I'm not having any solid object or solid shape for cone, so I'm going to explain with the help of this picture only. In this cone we have only one vertex and we have two faces, means in a curved face, and one more having plain face, and it is having only one edge. So vertex has numbers of vertices in the cone 1 and edges 1, and number of faces is 2. Okay. Next one is cylinder. Number of edges here it is 2. Okay. Number of edges in the cylinder it is 2. And number of vertices. Can you see here? See, number of vertices in cylinder is no. So it has 0 vertices. Then what about number of faces? It has a 2 flat faces. Okay. Now the last one is cuboid. So first we will discuss So sorry, first we will count edges. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So cuboid has 12 edges. And now we will count vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So cuboid has 8 vertices. And the faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cuboid has 6 faces. Now you can see the clear picture.